Hi everyone, this is a quick update on our bean experiment that we did for Jack and the Beanstalk. It is week 2 and let's have a look at how our bean is growing. So there you go. So the bean has actually started to sprout out. It's gone quite big, and as you can see, if I put that very closely, you can see the roots and the bean, and there's another one that we planted which is just there. You can start seeing the roots. Now is the perfect time to use your pot and plant it in some soil. Also, if I just take it out so that you can see, there we go. We have got our bean and we've got all the roots that you can see. It's absolutely amazing because you can actually see the roots doing it this way, and now this is ready to put in your pot with some soil, and just remember to keep on watering it.